Are you looking for a wedding backdrop decoration? Here we are in Zamboanga City at very affordable prices, including names, bridal chairs, spotlights, flowers on aisles, center table flowers, entrance arc, welcome signage, and more. For more details, please visit my FB page, Romel's Online Shop, or call 0997 6786 574. Thank you so much.